Hello there, it's Dan over at Loxo with a quick look at the brand new Flyover page inbox. This is a new feature that we just rolled out as part of the revamp of the user interface on the person's profile page, or Flyover page as we call it. So let's take a look. You'll find the inbox is right up here on the left-hand column. When you're on someone's profile page, we're using Ilya, the CTO here at Loxo. We're using his profile page here. And up at the top on the left-hand column, as we talk about in the training video on the new user interface for the profile page, there are 4 tabs: Profile, Resume, Inbox, and Activity. And we're talking about in this video the inbox, which is essentially where you are going to find a record, a detailed log of every conversation that you're having with the candidate in question, whether it's by email or text message. So when I click on inbox here, Ilya has several examples of conversations that he's been having with people here. And we're going to focus on the first 2 up here at the top. The first one, at the upper left, you'll see the icon indicating to you what type of a conversation are we looking at here. In this case, it's a text message conversation that Ilya has been having with Matt here at Loxo. So you can see the communications that have come back from Matt on this side. And you'll notice below each of these conversations, whether they are a text message conversation or an email conversation, as is the case here, you'll find a reply button. So in this case, if I click reply, it'll open up a text message field. So I can reply back in this case, and very easily, just like I show you in the 101 training and the 102 training, you can insert a person first name merge tag. You can also use the job link merge tags if you want to reference the job in question, if there is one, and you'll be able to use the SMS template drop down here to drop in templated content that you might have built on your settings page for dropping into text messages, like an introduction text message kind of thing. And then you can craft the text message as you normally would and click send. And that text message will immediately go back to the person that previously had texted you. So it picks up where you were in that text message conversation. Now notice next to the reply button, you can also use the schedule button here to schedule a task or to set up some kind of a meeting if you wish. You can also use the add to button here to immediately add this candidate to a job in question, add them to an outreach campaign, drop them into a list in your account, or simply add them to your call list, your call queue on the people tab as well. So a lot of functionality here available at your fingertips whenever you're managing a conversation that shows up in your inbox. Now with the email conversation here, same idea. There's a reply button right here. So if you click reply, it's going to open up, guess what, an email template, just like you're used to from my 101 training. So you can see who it's going to go to. You can CC people, you can BCC people, you can add additional people onto this email. You can add attachments to this email. You could use the email template drop-down menu here to drop in templated content that you might have built on your settings page to drop into emails, like a can we connect email kind of thing. And over here on the left, you can decide who this email is going to be from, and you build the body of the email just like you're used to. So you use a person first name merge tag to auto-populate the name of the person you're emailing. Use the form link merge tags if you want to drop a link into a form that you've created on your settings page. Down here at the lower left, if you see these boxes are unchecked, I always recommend you take the 2.5 seconds we estimate that it's going to take you to put check marks in these boxes. So on the back end, we'll be able to show you in the email log whether Ilya here opened up this email, whether he clicked on the link, whether he downloaded the content that we asked him to download, this kind of thing, right? Then hit the send button, and that will send that communication back by email in that way. So the advantage of the inbox is it gives you a centralized location on the profile page where you'll have all of the conversations that you've been having with this candidate, whether by email or text message, and the ability to quickly reply, schedule tasks or meetings, or use the add to button to source the person for a job or a campaign, or drop them into a list or into your call queue. So I think that you're going to find that the way we've organized this up here at the top with these 4 tabs, profile, resume, inbox, and activity, is really going to make your life a lot easier by separating these things out into distinct sort of buckets, if you will. Now, if you have any questions about the way this inbox works on the person's profile page, don't be shy reaching out to us down here at the lower right-hand corner using this chat button, and we'll be more than happy to help you over at support if you have questions. All right, thanks a lot for taking the time out to watch this training video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.